Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Dr. Rajendra Prasad's birth anniversary. Recently, the President of India paid floral tributes to Dr. Rajendra Prasad on his birth anniversary. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, born on December 3, 1884, in Zeradei, India, was a prominent Indian politician, lawyer, and journalist. He holds the distinction of being the first President of the Republic of India, serving from 1950 to 1962. He practiced law at the Calcutta High Court before moving to the Patna High Court in 1916, where he founded the Bihar Law Weekly. His involvement in the independence movement intensified in 1917 when Gandhi recruited him to aid the campaign against the exploitation of peasants in Bihar by British indigo planters. In 1920, he abandoned his law practice to dedicate himself fully to the non-cooperation movement. His activities led to several imprisonments by the British, notably from August 1942 to June 1945. After India's independence, he played a pivotal role in shaping the country's constitution as the President of the Indian Constituent Assembly from 1946 to 1949. He was unanimously elected as India's first president in 1950, re-elected in 1952 following the first general election, and again in 1957 for a third term. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor, in 1962. He was also an author with notable works including his autobiography Atmakatha in 1946, India Divided 1946, and Mahatma Gandhi and Bihar, Some Reminiscences 1949. He passed away on February 28, 1963 in Patna.